Ukraine plans to buy 24 more unmanned aerial vehicles, UCAVs, Bayraktar TB2, Tactical Block 2, in the coming period, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Ukraine Lieutenant General Valeriy Zaluzhny, who recently took on the role, said in an interview with Azerbaijani news agencies. Reports Saturday. Currently, there are 12 Bayraktar TB2 UCAVs in the Ukrainian inventory used in the Air Force and Navy. The top military official said it plans to purchase 4 more UCAVs to meet the needs of the armed forces in 2021 to 2022, adding that Kyiv plans to restock its arsenal with locally produced UCAVs in the future. On the use and procurement of UCAV Bayraktar TB2, Zaluzhny said, "First, we need to learn how to work effectively with them, and secondly, we must definitely know the tactics and the form of their use. We have to take a comprehensive approach to this issue," he said, noting that if Ukraine had the experience of Azerbaijan, which gained significant influence over Armenian forces during the recent conflict over the Nagorno-Karabakh occupation, it would be much easier. In their previous statement, the Ukrainian authorities set an upper limit on how many Bayraktar TB2 to buy, as many as 48 units. State-owned Ukrspace Export, the defense export agency, signed a $69 million (TL $584.4 million) agreement with Bayraktar to supply 6 Bayraktar TB2 UCAVs, 2 control stations and 200 smart munitions in January 2019. Bayraktar delivered the order within 2 months. Recently, Selçuk Bayraktar, Chief Technology Officer, CTO, of Bayraktar, said the UCAV Bayraktar TB2 has seen unprecedented demand from around the world following its deployment in military operations. This interest has increased greatly, especially after the operations in Idlib and Nagorno-Karabakh. Bayraktar TB2 has been sold to countries including Ukraine, Qatar, Azerbaijan, and Poland. In May, Poland became the first EU and NATO member state to acquire drones from Turkey.